Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, today we're doing a test. Nelson is here to assist me. He has the Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2. And I have the Mavic Air... No, and I have the DJI Air 2S. Hang on a second. Let's do that again. What the hell? Why do they take the name Mavic out? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, Nelson is here to assist... Hang on. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, this morning we are out here, Nelson and we are out here with two drones. Nelson, what drone do you have?
I have the Air 2. I got it wrong.
Don't. You have the
Mavic Air 2.
All right.
Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, Nelson and I are out here today because we're going to do a test with two drones. Nelson, what drone do you have with you
I have
today?
the Mavic Air 2.
He has the Mavic Air 2 and I have the DJI Air 2S. Nelson, what controller do you have?
I have the smart controller with a funky red cover.
And I have the smart controller like this with no cover, but I do have a Captain Drone sticker on the rear, and these things are so easy to drop.
I'm not worthy of a Captain Drone sticker.
Not yet, but you might pass the test. So a lot of people are excited about the Air 2S because it has Ocusync 3, and Nelson and I are going to test out the tracking and the Ocusync 3. So right now behind us is over here is a sign. You probably can't see it. It's a sign for a school. Actually you can, it's right there. A sign for a school. And the school, I'm going to show you some video. The school is over to our left. What we're going to do is I'm going to take my Jeep and drive around that school, and behind the Jeep is going to be one of these drones tracking the Jeep. Now the problem for the drone is that the controller is going to be with Nelson, who's going to be standing over here by that sign, and the signal from the Mavic and the DJI Air, whatever these things are, it's got to go through the school all the way back here. So will Ocusync 2 be just as good as Ocusync 3, or Ocusync 3 better than Ocusync 2? Anyways, we're going to find out. Here we go.
We have 14 satellites. All is good. One, two, three, four, five.
Yeah, it's working. I can hear you inside now. So go trace and then hit the go button.
We are trace and go.
Okay, so we should see it moving now.
Just got an error message, altitude too low. Too low.
Okay, well, let's now go backwards and we'll have to pump it up. Take it up to like 5 or 6 meters.
Active tractive activated, no warning message, you're good to go.
Okay.
Drone is moving.
Okay, that's a good sign. Hopefully it doesn't untrack. The good thing is on the other side of the school there's no obstacles.
Okay, it's tracking all right. We did a couple altitude dips, but it's back up to where it was.
Okay, just let it do what it has to do. That's because we put the we have the go around on it. So
that's why. That's why.
Yeah, so when it sees sunlight or anything, it doesn't know it's an obstacle, so sometimes it goes down or up. Like right now we're going into the sun, it might goof up a bit, so I'll go slow.
Yeah, it is stopped looking at that pole, now it is recovered.
Still has me?
It has you, yep.
Okay, good.
We are below the school altitude, that's okay?
That's perfect, yeah. That's where the real test comes, is now when I get to the rear of the school.
All good.
Okay. There's nothing back here for it to hit. It's all good, so.
Yeah, no, it's tracking well. Getting a little bit of signal breakup.
Yeah, that was expected. This is where we're going to see if it actually loses signal.
Yeah, quality's back to good. We just had a momentary blip.
Okay, that's good.
Signal's still good.
Oh, it's doing well then.
Just got a weak signal indication.
Okay. I'm at the very end and I'm turning around now, so it's got to follow me back. I'm doing a wide turn.
Yeah, it's giving me a repeated weak signal. I'm getting choppy signal or choppy video, but it is tracking you.
Oh, I see it. I see it over here on the side. Yeah. It's over there. I don't know if this GoPro can see it over here. There it is, up there. Oh, it's sitting there waiting for me.
Yeah, signal is now quite. Your video is stopped. Now we're back.
Okay. Well, at least it didn't cut out on you.
Yeah. Yeah, so video remains really choppy, but there are lots of lag in it, but it is continuing to track.
Amazing.
Still getting a weak signal at just antennas, but it's the building, not the antennas.
Yeah.
And
That's not bad.
Yeah, warning just went away.
Okay.
I'm coming back out the side of the school, so the signal should get really strong. I see you now, so it's going to see you too.
We're good.
Direct line of sight.
Yeah, and the drone just did a vertical climb to get over something.
But it still has me?
Yep, it's tracking fine.
Perfect. Okay, it's just got to go through these posts here, which is no problem for it. And then we'll be back. So that is impressive that the DJI Mavic Air 2 had no problem. So the Ocusync is phenomenal. It's awesome. All right, let's try the DJI Air 2S. Okay, Nelson, you can take full control of it and land it.
Okay.
There we go. So the DJI Mavic Air 2, I had no problem tracking me around the school back there. And yeah, it's really awesome. All right, so we'll do the same with this. Same idea. You must have had to hold your phone in your hand.
Held my phone underneath it, yeah.
There we are. Okay, so your phone is still connected.
Yep.
We're all set. All right, there's the DJI Air 2S. Let's see if it tracks as well. All right. Okay, I'm off. Let me know if it's following.
Yeah, active track is active and we are filming, so you are go. It's moving.
This is good.
Yep, no issues so far.
All right, we're about to start to go around the school, so yeah, I'm going a little faster than I did with the other Mavic.
You mean the Mavic Air 2?
I know. The friggin' DJI changing the names. Mavic Air 2 and DJI Air 2S. It's like, Jesus. Guys, it's the same friggin' drone.
So I still have you line of sight. I'm about to lose you physically. In the drone I can still see.
Perfect. Okay, I'm going to be around the back now.
And I've lost the drone visually now from my eyes, but signal is good.
Yeah, that's another thing. Report on if you see the same signal cutting out as you saw with the previous.
Yeah, this is about where I saw the first hiccup on the signal with the 2. So far, so good.
It's all smooth?
Yep, no latency, no jumping.
Perfect. Yeah, so maybe Ocusync 3 is a slightly better just for that purpose. Penetration.
Yep, signal is still good.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm almost at the end. I'm going to start doing my big turn.
Yeah, I may have seen a little bit of latency, but it's a world of difference. It's much cleaner. There's been no freezing of the screen. A little bit of maybe jerkiness, just a little bit, but no freezing of the screen. At this point, the 2 froze for a good 4 or 5 seconds.
Well, this is different. When I was with the Mavic Air 2, when I did the turn, the drone stayed in one spot as I turned, but this one seems to have followed me around because it's not, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has a different system for following. It actually stays behind Vice, just sitting in one spot and letting you move. Interesting.
Yeah, I just had my first major data loss. Just sort of skipped for a second.
Okay.
Won't be long and we'll be back in line of sight. Coming around. So the Jeep, you should see the Jeep now and the drone soon.
Yep, gotcha.
All right, and I'll go a bit faster through this parking lot to come on back because it should have no hassles for this. And here we have an oncoming van.
See if it likes the van over you.
Finished the whole editing, or?
No, you're on film. Yeah, there's a drone right there filming you.
Oh, okay. Oh,
I'll come and see you later.
Captain Drone is such a social animal.
This is true. This is true. Yeah. All right, so that went well. Better than expected.
Yeah, I only had one major blip and a little bit of lag in the back, and I did notice that the obstacle sensor on the 2 went off a lot more than it flashed green quite a bit compared to yours, the 2S.
Okay.
All right, so we can land that one. Hang up my phone too. We'll do the sum up here. I've got a hat cam, you have a hat cam. So tell me your thoughts when you flew the first one, the Mavic Air 2, which is yours, through. You said there was a bit of breakup midway through?
So on the start, we had a bunch of vertical deviations, almost 3 meters.
Right.
Which I don't know why. Once we got past the light standard here, it was locked on you. Once I had lost you on line of sight, particularly when I lost the drone on line of sight, so you'd gone around the corner and the drone just lost.
Right.
I started to notice a bit of just hesitation, like the signal looked a little rough. 2/3 of the way down the back, it was really jumpy.
Okay.
I lost you for a good couple seconds on the back corner, and then it just improved as we came back.
Okay, and then when you did the Air 2S with the Ocusync 3, you said there was just one point that you hit?
I had nothing on the way there.
Yeah.
On the turnaround, we were perfectly good. It followed you all the way around behind you. And then about halfway back, when you were closer to the school, I had a couple sort of stutters. Yeah. And that was it.
That was it. Good. So they performed well. So either drone then is awesome for something like that. Yeah. So you have a fresh battery?
Yeah, I just put a fresh battery on.
So in this one, we'll be in sport mode the whole way. Go to the farm, we have to take 2 pictures. So you're going to take picture 1, and I'll take picture 2, and then I'll take picture 1, then you take picture 2. So picture 1 is the silo. Yeah. Picture 2 is the barn. All right, here we go. I'm not going to spill your coffee here. All right, so the plan is silo and barn. So you'll have to fly, and for the silo, you need a picture this way. Okay. Looking this way. Okay. And for the barn, you need a picture this way. This will keep us far away from each other. Okay. Okay, so you do silo first.
All right, so I'm going to go silo side.
And then you fly over any way you want to get to the barn side, take a picture, and then fly back.
So why don't we do it this way? I'll do silo side. Yeah. And when I transit, nobody flies over the barn. I'll go to the right.
Oh, and I go to left?
And you go left and around.
Sounds good.
And then once you've got it, straight home.
Okay. So you're going to stop video, go into photo mode, take the photo, go back in the video as you move to the other side, then go back into photo mode, then back in the video. Has to be all there.
I sense disaster.
If you're missing any of that, you fail.
I lose.
Fail. I'm at 35 meters, you're at?
I'm at 40. Okay. I'm to the right of the silo, so I'm a straight line shot. And are you ready?
Yeah, do a 3, 2, 1.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, here we go.
Cruising, cruising, cruising. I see the barn getting closer. Well, no, it's still quite a ways away. So on mine, I'm going to use my gimbal and because you're going to have to use it for the photo too, I'm keeping the crosshairs on the barn as I fly. And I have to go a little bit to the left to get the barn, to do the photo.
So far so good.
I'm approaching the barn.
I'm approaching the pylon, or the silo.
Silo, okay. Hopefully nobody's out because they're going to be going, what the hell? All right. So I've got the barn.
I've got the silo.
You have to line up and get, oh geez, I've messed up. Try to get the best picture you can. Look, I'm just going to show you what mine looks like. That's what I see.
Yep, I'm just taking a photo here.
Oh, I'm not even on photo yet. Hang on. Photo, smart photo, snap a photo. Snap a photo, I said. There we go. Okay, I got that. Now I have to put them back in video to fly over to the, whatchamacallit. Let's go back to video. It's in video recording. Oh my God, it takes so long to start up. Let's go to the silo. And I'm going to the right of the silo.
I'm around the back side now.
Okay. I think Captain Drone is going to fail on this one. Oh, there's where the people live. All right. There's the silo. All right, got to take a picture of that. Hit stop. Go into photo mode. Photo. Oh, I heard you already take a picture. I'm going to lose. It hasn't taken a picture yet. Take a picture. There we go, we got it. Okay, got to go back to video. Come on, back to video mode. Video. Come on, video mode. Start. Start video. Come on. There we go. All right, I'm zooming. I'm coming back.
I'm about 11 seconds ahead of you.
You are? This is not good. Does this have even faster mode? Well, I guess not. Oh, I think I see the problem. I'm in geriatric mode. Yeah. Oh, I thought I was in sport mode. I'm in geriatric mode. There we go.
So I'm just coming over the other field. Should be overhead now.
Oh,
close.
Oh, you're way. Okay, and you have to land. You have to land right where you took off on those three lines. I just put on my auxiliary light. Why did I put that on? Hang on a second. You have to land on these 3 lines over here. Let's see who can land the fastest. I'm cheating. I'm coming down. I'm coming in the slide. I can land faster than Nelson. On the 3 yellow lines, Nelson. Don't mess with Captain Drone. Don't mess. Oh, Nelson, get on the 3 lines. I got it. And I even have my auxiliary light on. Beat you by the slightest amount. Oh. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun, and what I personally learned from it is that Ocusync 2 is not much different than Ocusync 3. Nelson was the one who got to see the on the smart controller the difference. Both Ocusync 2 and Ocusync 3 worked well behind the school where there was like blocking the signal tremendously. A lot of drones can't do that, so hats off to DJI for having drones that can do it with Ocusync 2 or 3. But you did say Ocusync 3, you thought it looked a little smoother, a little less latency.
A little bit less latency, and we didn't. We had a couple good lockups. You'll see in the video, I'm sure, but this one just had one glitch for maybe a millisecond. Yeah. This one had several.
Good. And we did a fun video where we flew out to the silo and back, and we had a blast with that. And I won! I just wanted to get that in there, even though I was in geriatric mode. I can't even say that.
And we got an FPV above us.
And another FPV over there. And a plane back there. You know, this is the RC field. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions on either of these drones, just post them below. Nelson or I will get back to you. And thanks for watching. Take care. Catch you in the next video. Bye.